how to fix Affinity not launching on your MacBook. So you may have come across this when you've tried launching Affinity, that it's actually really laggy or it's just not opening. So there's a couple different things you can do to fix this. The first thing I suggest is just going up to the Apple logo and then force quit and force quitting on Affinity. So if this doesn't work, you want to go to folder, and then type in this. I'll leave it in the description down below. So we'll click on that. You want to select all and then just drag that into the bin. Now you want to empty your bin, empty bin, and now relaunch it. If it's still not working, what you want to do is go to folder, and you'll want to search in this. I'll also leave it in the description down below. So we'll click on that, and then you need to select all these files. So you can either select it by dragging it like that, or you can go to edit, select all, and then go to file and press move to bin. Now you want to go down to your bin and then empty this. And once you've emptied it, you want to open up a Google browser. And so once you've emptied your bin, you'll want to open up your search browser and re-download Affinity. Thank you for watching the video. If you found this helpful, let me know down in the comments below.